All right, thanks for clicking that link. So I'm here tonight in the beautiful Boise foothills, and I want to talk to you about what I think is the most important Bronco accessory you can have on your Bronco: lighting. The stock lighting on a Ford Bronco, no matter what the trim level is just not adequate. As a matter of fact, it was one of the reasons why the Bronco did not receive a top safety pick award. Having been out on the trails with a couple different Broncos now, I can tell you, though these are LED lights, this factory lighting just does not cut it. Park lights, headlights, fog lights. Now really, that is not enough light. Grab my brake lights. Let's turn on our backup light. Oh yeah. Okay. Ambers. Light bar. Wow. I still felt that the throw on this was just not enough light. So by adding the LasFit 22-inch light bar to the front here really was a game changer. So Kelly and I shot a really cool video in Moab with these light bars that I'll include a link in the description below. So one of my very first mods, and one of everybody's favorite go-to mods on the Bronco, is the ditch light. Now, I originally started with a Ford Performance ditch light. However, these amber pods are by far the best. So in order to do a quad pod setup, I needed an additional mounting bracket. I did an internet search. What I found for quad pod brackets ranged in price from $79 to nearly $200. So click the link in the description for the LasFit store to check out this bracket, where just like everything else in the LasFit lineup, it has an incredible value and it's priced at only $19.99. When mounting your ditch lights, you want to leave these loose so you have adjustability. But when you add this extension bracket, it gives a whole new level of adjustability to your pod light setup. It's absolutely amazing.